Alright, well, we got something new to play with here. Let me try and get this unboxed. I don't have a lot of room in my office right now to take a good video, so there's probably going to be cutaways and it's not going to be a full complete unboxing, so I'll definitely need two hands, and I'll be in the way of the camera most of the time anyway. So one little part I can do here. Okay, now I need my hands. Once you get the top box off, this is what you're presented with here. So the frame definitely is larger than I expected. I think it's what everyone usually says when they get it and open it up. It's usually a little larger than people expect, but all the usual Prusa things. You even got some gummy bears back there, nice big bag of them. This is the assembled, I believe, 2-head version. We'll be adding more heads later on, but we're gonna get this open the rest of the way now and get going. Alright, we've got it up on the table. Haven't done any more assembly yet with it. Things are looking pretty good. The test print looks nice. Let's see. Everything on there looks pretty clean. So we're gonna finish getting this all set up and getting it good to go. Alrighty. Be back with more soon. Alright, so we got the first test print running here. I'll definitely show some more test prints to show quality and how things are turning out. I did do full calibration on it and I did record it, but it ended up being a really long video, so I'll share that one later. So definitely more to come.